Alright, so this has been a little bit disappointing because this is my emerald lychee that has been growing in a container for at least now 5 years, maybe a little longer. And I stepped it up into this 15-gallon pot right there about a year ago. And, you know, I did everything I was supposed to do to it. And I got this year what's called a mixed bloom. So I didn't get enough chill. I'm in South Florida. I'm in an area called Davie, Florida, which is just west of Fort Lauderdale. But my Emperor lychee, which, by the way, Emperor lychee has a reputation of going a while before fruiting. This one so far is fruited every other year. So I consider myself fortunate. So here we go. This is my Emperor lychee, and then these are the fruits. I've only got, like I said, I had a mixed bloom, which means that there was some cold weather, but not enough cold weather. And then I had flowers, and at the same time that I had flowers, I had a little bit of flushes of leaves. So if you know about growing lychees, you just really don't want flushes. You want flowers, all flowers. And one side of the tree, which was exposed to a lot more sunlight, did better than the other side of the tree, which had a few fruit, and I've already eaten some. But this is pretty much what's left, and I really didn't have time to make this video before. So I have a few minutes now, and I figured, okay, let's do the best we can with explaining a little bit about the Emperor. But this is a nice size, very nice size fruit. Let's pluck that guy off. Usually you cut the entire panicle when you're gonna go ahead and harvest. You cut the whole thing. You don't take them off one at a time. But this is just for demonstration. And you can see here, has a nice color to it. It's a good size. I wish I had something with me that I could show you a comparison of the size, but it's pretty big. It's a pretty big lychee. And if you go ahead, let's take off a little bit of the skin here. And again, I'm doing this one-handed with my dirty fingernails, and I'm gonna pop this sucker right into my mouth. You can see here. Look at how nice and moist it is. Really, really moist. There's the skin. Perfectly ripe. The skin has got bumps, but the bumps are fairly soft, and the color is really nice, deep, beautiful color. There's a lot of fruit. In other words, there's a lot of flesh on the Emperor, and it's very tasty. Very tasty. And then, if you look at the seed, it's a big seed. So, you get a pretty big seed, but you get a nice amount of fruit. So, the only thing that can make this better is if this tree, the Emperor, produced very tiny seeds with that much flesh, and that flavor would be spectacular. So there's some back here, over there, those. There's another one over here, and then that's about it, because I've harvested most of the ones that were on here. Pretty much all of this area was harvested. This area had fruit on it, pretty good up into this area a little bit, and then this area had very little fruit on the opposite side over here. Had a little bit of fruit, not much. But again, I attribute that to the mixed bloom. And oh yeah, one other thing that's important. This fruit here looks like it's gonna, right here, those are small, see? They didn't really develop, and they're not probably gonna develop any further than this. You see these small ones. A lot of times when they're small like this, you can just hit them and they fall off. But they're not gonna be anything. Usually what I see happens is they'll grow maybe a little bit more, and then they split. They just crack on you. And then they're useless at that point. Here's a little one back here. And like I said, I wish I had done this video when it was loaded. When it was, well, I wouldn't say loaded, but when it had a lot more fruit. You see these little ones in the back? They just didn't develop. See, here's another one here. Got fruit back there, but they're tiny. They stay tiny. So anyway, you know, I grow lychees as a hobby. I don't want to sit here and I want to stand here and tell you that, you know, I know everything there is to know about lychee trees. So if you know what's going on and why I have these small fruit that didn't mature at all and they don't look like they're going to mature, or maybe they will mature, but I doubt it. Anyhow, that's the Emperor lychee, and this is Peppy coming to you from the backyard, and to give you a little better view of it, you can see here, beautiful dwarf compact tree that's doing quite well. And if you look here, you can see the leaves are beautiful, doing really, really nice. This is a new flush, by the way. All this is a new flush. This just happened about a week and a half ago, maybe 2 weeks, one to 2 weeks. All that new growth. All right, hope you enjoyed that video. Learned a little bit about the Emperor lychee tree. And if you have any comments, suggestions, ideas on some of the things that I said, go ahead and leave a comment below. Thanks, everybody. Have a good one.